is a less human, less natural sounding voice. There's no such problem here. So let's listen to Livingston.
Grandma's hands clapped in church on Sunday morning. Grandma's hands played a tambourine so well. Grandma's hands used to hit you was a warning. She'd say, live, don't run so fast. You might fall on a piece of glass, and there might be snakes there in that grass. Grandma's hands. Grandma's hands used to soothe the unwed mother. Grandma's hands, they would ache sometimes and swell. Grandma's hands, they would lift her face and tell her. She'd say, baby, Grandma understands just how much you love that man. Put yourself in Jesus' and Grandma's